So yeah, I'm gonna put on my festive rapper hat, and Ricky, you can play the track.
Dear Santa, I've been a really good boy this year. There are so many things I want for Christmas, but I guess the first thing on my list is cheese!
Like pepper jack or cheddar, or how about American, because that one's kind of bad. And Play-Doh, but not the Play-Doh brand. The molding clay that artists just makes them with their hands. And how about money, because I can never have enough. You see, we're in a recession, and times are kind of tough. Subscribers to my YouTube channel would also be nice, and followers on Twitter I'm sure would also suffice. And how about a 3DS and Pokemon X? And I'd like to have a girlfriend so we can hold hands and arrange that shit's Acme if that even does exist. But I'm sure you will agree I have the best Christmas list. These are the things I want for Christmas. I hope that you can make my dreams come true. I'm not asking for a lot this Christmas. Okay, I am, but at least I will thank you. P.S. There's something I've been thinking. Do you have diabetes from all the hot chocolate you're drinking? You're really, really fat, and it's obvious you're not healthy. And how do you pay your bills? Because I'm guessing you're not wealthy. So how do you keep costs down? Do you just live in caves? I know your elves are free labor, they're just working slaves. There's something else I've noticed, and I'm really not hating, but if you rearrange the letters in your name, you can spell Satan. That can't be a coincidence, you're really just a creep. You're watching little kids at night while they're trying to sleep. That's just not normal, dude. You should be put in the system. I'd hate for you to be free and give you time to claim a victim. We can agree that that's not normal. I can't believe parents let their kids near you. You probably should be arrested. Cause you break into people's houses through flu.
Oh, Nick, I got your Christmas list, and I just gotta tell you, it's really none of your business what I'm doing up at the North Pole or how my elves are treated. Cause the things you get for Christmas aren't things you really needed. Now, I'm not sure what you are, but I can tell you what you ain't. You can call yourself Nicholas, but you are no saint. You're a selfish little boy, you only care about yourself. You think my job is easy? Try for one day being an elf. I'm magical, you see, so I don't need to make money. And I watch your YouTube videos, and you're totally not funny. You said you wanted a girlfriend, but that's not realistic. If you ever were to have one, you'd create your own statistic. Now, you run out of 7 billion for a loser like you. She'd have to be blind and deaf, so she wouldn't have a clue that she's dating someone talentless who doesn't have a job. I've seen the way you eat, and let's face it, you're a slob. I don't need to worry about anything you say, because I will live forever, but you will die someday. I see the look in your face, and you appear very concerned. You're going to need some aloe vera, because you just got burned.
That's my Christmas song. I thought it would be a good idea to go to a rap battle with Santa Claus because, you know, that's extremely normal to do.